In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Windows 11 crash logs. If your PC has frozen, blue-screened, or restarted without warning, Windows records what happened behind the scenes. We'll walk through Event Viewer, the built-in tool that captures these events, and I'll show you how to find the entries that matter so you can understand what caused the problem and when it occurred. Start by pressing the Windows key and X together on your keyboard, then select Event Viewer from the menu that appears. This opens Windows' centralized log console, where the operating system stores a timeline of important events, including crashes, driver issues, and service failures. Give it a moment to load. On some systems, the first launch can take a few seconds while the logs are indexed. On the left, you'll see a navigation pane called the console tree. Expand Windows logs by clicking the small arrow next to it. This section contains the most common system-wide logs, and it's where the key information about crashes is stored. Next, click System. The system log captures events generated by Windows and its core components, such as drivers, services, and the kernel. If you experienced a blue screen, or a sudden reboot, the entries you need are typically found here, close to the time the issue occurred. In the middle pane, look for entries labeled Critical or Error in the Level column. Critical events indicate severe problems that force the system to stop or shut down unexpectedly. Error events flag issues that disrupted a component or process and often appear just before or after a crash. You'll also see warnings and information entries. Those can add context, but when diagnosing a crash, start with Critical and Error. Check the date and time columns to line up events with the moment you notice the problem. Click any critical or error entry to view its details in the lower pane. The General tab provides a plain language summary that often mentions the component involved, such as a specific driver, service, or a bug check after a blue screen. The Details tab presents the same data in a structured format and shows fields like the event ID and source. These identifiers help you recognize patterns, confirm whether the same issue is recurring, and understand which part of the system is affected. If you see several related entries around the same timestamp, read them in sequence to piece together what led to the failure and what happened immediately after. That's it. By opening Event Viewer, expanding Windows logs, choosing System, scanning for critical and error levels, and reviewing the details, you can turn a confusing crash into clear, actionable information.